Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel Sun Academy. In this lecture we are going to solve a question of interpolation, extrapolation in statistics. As you can see that it is given that for the following find y35, and here we are given the class from 0 to 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, and frequency is given 3, 7, 10, 8 and 2. Now how we will find? For this, first of all we will convert this into less than frequency distribution. So for less than we will take upper boundary point, that is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, and we will make it cumulative frequency. That will be 3, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 10, 28, 28 and 2, 30. Now this will be our x and this will be our y, and this will be y0 and this will be x0. Now we are going to use Newton's method. And for that we have to find the differences. 10 minus 3 will be 7, 20 minus 10 will be 10, 28 minus 20 will be 8 and 2. Then after 10 minus 7 will be 3, 8 minus 10 will be minus 2, 2 minus 8 will be minus 6. Minus 2 minus 3 will be minus 5, minus 2, minus 6 minus 2 will be minus 4, and minus 4 minus 5 will be 1. Now we are going to use the differences of first level. Before that we have to find u is x minus x0 upon h. Here x is 35, x0 is 10, and distance between this is also 10. So 35 minus 10 divided by 10 is 25 divided by 10, so 2.5 is the value of u. Now as we know formula, what is the formula? Yx is equal to y0 plus u delta y0 plus u minus 1 delta square y0 upon 2 factorial. Here we will allot 1 factorial. Actually 1 factorial is equal to 1, so if you don't write it, alright. Then after u minus 1, u minus 2 divided by 3 factorial delta cube y0 plus u minus 1, u minus 2, u minus 3 upon 4 factorial delta 4 raised to delta raised to 4 y0. Now y0 is equal to 3, u is 2.5 into delta y0 is 7 plus 2.5 minus 1 delta square y0 is equal to 3 divided by 2 factorial means 2 plus 2.5 2.5 minus 1, 2.5 minus 2, 3 factorial is equal to 3 into 2 into 1, that means 6, and delta cube y0 is equal to minus 5. 2.5, 2.5 minus 1, 2.5 minus 2, and 2.5 minus 3. 4 factorial means 4 3 are 12, 12 2 are 24, 24 1 are 24, and delta raised to 4 y0 is equal to 1. So this will become 3, and this will become 17.5, 2.5, this will be 1.5, 3 divided by 2, 2.5, 1.5, 0.5 minus 5 divided by 6, 2.5, 1.5, 0.5 minus 0.5 divided by 24 and to 1. So this will be 3 plus 17.5 plus 2.5 into 1.5 into 3 divided by 2, that is 5.625. Again 2.5 into 1.5 into 3 divided by 2. Okay, now 2.5 into 1.5 into 0.5 into 5 divided by 6 is equal to minus 1.625. Then after is 2.5 into 1.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 divided by 24 and minus 0.0390. So this will become 20.5 plus, here this will become 4 minus 0.0390. 24.46 will be y35. 24.46 will be y35. Let's repeat again. Here we are given the classes and frequency, and we have been asked to find y35. So by using Newton's method, we will go. First of all, we will have to convert this frequency distribution into less than type of frequency distribution. For that, we will have to take upper boundary points, and frequency will be accumulated. So 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 10 20 plus 8 28 plus 2 30. Now we have to find the differences. 10 minus 3 7, 10 8 2, 3 minus 2 minus 6, minus 5 minus 6 minus 2 will be minus 4. Minus 4 minus 5 will become minus 4 plus 5, that means 1. Then after u is to be found out x minus x0 upon h. Now x is 35, x0 is 10, distance is also 10. So 35 minus 10 divided by 10, that will be 2.5. Formula is y0 plus u to delta y0 divided by 1 factorial u minus 1 delta square y0 divided by 2 factorial u minus 1 u minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube y0. Similarly, further one step will be added as u minus 3, and it will be divided with 4 factorial into delta 4 raised to y0. Now y0 is equal to 3, 2.5, delta y0 is equal to 7, 2.5, 2.5 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial, that means 2 into 1, and delta square y0 is 3. This is delta y0, delta square y0, delta cube y0, and delta raised to 4 y0. So u minus 1, u minus 2 divided by 3 factorial means 6, delta cube y0, that is minus pi, u minus 1, u minus 2, u minus 3 divided by 4 factorial, that means 24, and delta raised to 4 y0 is equal to 1. So 3 and 2.5 into 7 is 17.5, and 2.5 into 1.5 into 3 divided by 2 is equal to 5.625. Then after is 2.5 into 1.5 into 0.5 divided by 6 into 5 is equal to minus 1.625, and 2.5 into 1.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 divided by 24 is equal to minus 0.039065, but I have cut it to 4 digits after the point, and this will be minus plus minus, and simplifying that we got y35 is equal to 24.46. Now students, if you are still not following our channel, you should follow, share the link of our channel so that other can be benefited. Don't be selfish.